Hi, my name is Kason. I'm the guitar instructor. And in this I'm basically going over what we went over today. So first would be holding the guitar. So if you have a strap, you put the strap over yourself. And then you take this little divot here and you place it on your right leg if you're right-handed, or if you have a left-handed guitar, then the guitar would be facing the other way and it would be on your left leg. And then for tuning, if you have a tuning app, which I can pull up right now, they're helpful whenever you don't have your tuner with you. Alright, if you want to come in. So it looks like this, which matches the guitar head, and so you'll be playing this first string, and you'll be measuring if it's in tune or not. See if I can do that, if it'll work. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a ding sound saying that it is in tune. After that, you have your musical symbols. And so I have them written down on this board. This isn't every musical symbol, but it's basic ones. So this symbol here is a treble clef, and that's basically it symbolizes that it's higher notes, and it's the opposite of a bass clef, that's really low notes. And then here, the two fours that are on top of each other, that's the time signature. So what you're really looking at in this is the 4. So that's basically saying that it's 4 beats. That's 4 beats in one measure, one measure is one of these boxes. It'll have 5 lines. The entire thing is called the staff. So I guess your first notes. So this one would be a whole note, which lasts for 4 beats. And then you have your half note, which lasts 2, and then you have your chord notes, which equal 1 beat each. So in total, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then playing the first notes on the first string. The E string should be the string furthest away from you. It would be this one. And so playing it by itself is an E. Then if you put your first finger on this first fret, all these metal bars here are called frets. You won't place your finger directly on them or else you get the sound. But you'll place them right behind them. So here. So this is technically called the first fret. So playing that, that's an F. And then you're going to do with your third finger, you're going to do it on the 3rd fret. And that's G. And so if I were to play this, technically where these notes are, this spot is an E. So playing this, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so you can practice alternating between these if you have some kind of metronome app, or you can just count to yourself. So if I were to play whole notes for all of them, I would play the E first, then F, then G, then probably back down, however you want. But it would basically go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go back down. And we're back. So we did the whole notes going up and down with the notes, and so I guess now what would be next is the half notes. And so you'll do the E first, then F, then G, and then back down to F. So counting, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. and you can possibly like pause the video and try that yourself. So again, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for the second one, it would be the quarter notes, which last 1 beat out of 4. So you could go back up and down with them. So you go E, F, G. So playing that, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so after that, you can just practice going on to this. And so I'll write on this board real quick. Not drop it. So on the staff, out of all of them, this empty spot right here, that spot is an E, and then if it's on the line here, that's an F, and then it goes one above that, then that would be the G. And so this first exercise here, so as you learned, this note would be the E on this empty space, and then a line up would be the F, and one more up would be G. So this entire bar would, counting out loud with the numbers at the bottom, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so if you want to look at my fingers while I do that, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can pause that and try again if you need. And then moving on to this next one here. So it starts on this, on the first one again, which is E. So it goes E, F, E, F, G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E. So it's alternating between them. So this whole bar in total will sound like this. And then if you want to see my fingers while doing it, I'll also count while doing it as well. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now from there, with those 3 notes, you can kind of just go off. Basically, you can download some kind of metronome app, or like I said, you can just count out loud, and basically just go through them with the different types of notes. The whole note, which lasts 4 beats, the half note that lasts 2, and the quarter notes that last 1. And you can basically just go through and just kind of just make something up, just practice switching in between all of the notes. And that should be on.